On a video Lego video, we're gonna review the Lego Star Wars 30495 ATST with 79 pieces. So stay tuned for the speed build and review. So today, as we said, I'm gonna review the ATST. Well, I'm not a huge Star Wars fan, but I thought it has a good amount of pieces and good, useful pieces, so that's why I ended up buying it. It was pretty cheap, like I guess it was $5, so I bought it. So now let's open it up. It's a polybag, you see. So let's open it up. I know. Just checking if the bag has any more pieces, because if you notice that there aren't pieces, well, actually you might notice that it might be on the floor somewhere. It might have fell down, or maybe in the packet. So that's why I was just checking. So there is a good amount of parts. So recently I unboxed the Lego Speed Champions polybag Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. Well, it had a separate packet for small pieces, while this one doesn't. So it's, I guess, well, it's good though. I also bought the Aston Martin set for $5, so it's a good set. Link in the description below. So the instructions are folded. I just open it up right in front of you. Okay, not a very big instruction compared to the Aston Martin set. So overall there are 11 steps. This one shows the pieces you need, which is good. So, well, it has a good amount of parts here. So let's get into the speed build, I mean. So stay tuned to the end for the review. to the build, I noticed a few extra pieces, which Lego always gives you. So that goes to the side, and here is the final ATST. After a few minutes of work, this polybag, another extra piece. This polybag set is all done. So as you can see, this rotates. The feet are fully functional. You can just move them however you like to give like an effect to the model. Well, I guess it's pretty good. Well, it's nice though. It's like 5 studs wide. Just like that. Here's a comparison of it with Aston Martin Valkyrie. So it's nice though for the price. It has a good amount of good pieces, like this piece that looks kind of like a gun. So it's pretty good. Rotates, works, functional. So I hope you like the model. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do like the video, share with friends and family. Press the bell icon for more updates, and do remember to subscribe. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.